Okay, this is the problem. Somebody asked me, Wing Chun is very soft. You know, people play around like Jisao very soft and somebody coming very hard. How can you deal with this kind of thing? Now, reality term is, I can't say anything about other people to Wing Chun, okay? So, but the problem is, sometimes when you punch coming like this, if I stand there and try to trade, see, now, you get in the coffin, and then you lie down, get your mummy and put some nail on, because you're dead. The idea is when it comes straight, you need to offline him, offline him. Like that. You understand? You need to offline the person and attack them. You cannot try to go direct in. Wing Chun is direct, but when he punch direct like this, see how he punch? He don't punch like the Wing Chun guy like this. So I can go like this, see? I can go like this to them. Because when he punch the low like this, I can go like this. I can do whatever I like to them. But the reality tell me when he changes his punch, it's different. I can't try to pull the hand down like this. You understand? Because when you pull the hand down like this, that coming in, and then you pull this hand, and that coming in, and then your face gonna be look so ugly. Your mom won't recognize you anymore. So how do you do it? So soon he come in offline. That's how you're gonna deal with him at once. Let me guide you. So when he punch, offline the line. At the same time, as it come, okay? As it come, you attack. Then you're making the contact. Now his power is not here. He can't do anything to me. So this is how we're using our hard and soft Wing Chun, blend them together. Okay, you got to understand how to blend them. So the idea is you hard, soft, hard, and then you deal with them. So that way, when you get here, see, you bump in here, body, and then now I'm gonna be in control of him, because onto the Wing Chun side, they have many things to learn. They have understanding about the body positioning, understand the posture, understand everything about pain compliance, posture point, and everything else. So when you do this kind of thing, when you come direct like this, if you can imagine, okay, this is just give you an idea. If he stands still like this and try to block the heart, you cannot try to block something when you go in, not the Wing Chun punch, because you're not going to find another Wing Chun outside there. It's going to be different people. So the punch going to be like this. Okay, so when you go like this to it, it's still hard, and that, see, it's not in your movement. If you go like this, when he punch, I can bring him down. I can bring him down easily. See, I can go like this, and then I can control, and then I can do whatever I like to him. But it don't work like this. They punch differently. So if I stay on his face, on here, I can get my face decorated. So I want to make sure, follow, control him. And then now you control body positioning. So this is when you do the movement, you got to make sure I'm in control of the line and I deal with him. You like what you see there? You like all the movement? You want to see the real thing that I'm learning to understand? Then you know where we are. We're in here. I'm inside here. Come inside this. Take this course and come inside, and I will be right there to teach you everything you need to know about self-defense. I'll see you onto the training course.